everybody. Happy Sunday. And it's me again, your online mentor, Mary Ann, in today's Hustle Hour with me, Mary Ann, of course. And sa mga past podcast episodes ko po, kung yung po sa mga bago sa aking page, meron po akong mga business partners na ini-invite para po masilip niyo naman po yung buhay nila. Hindi lang yung palagi yung buhay ko. Para naman po makita niyo na marami po kami from different walks of life that have ventured into the online world. And today, actually, tonight nasa kanyang side. O, diba? Kasi medyo global tayo. Alam niyo na. So, yeah, a very special person that I've known probably for a year na. Let's see kung tamang aking pagbibilang. Parang 1 year ko na siyang business partner, friend, online friend, and soon to be sana, maka-visit naman ako sa kanya sa UK. Okay, so please welcome on the stage, she's Cheryl. Thank you. Hello, hello.
Hello sis! Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening po sa inyong lahat from UK.
Yes, so happy
Yes,
Mother's
sis.
Day.
Oh yes, thank
Sa
you.
UK, yung mga celebration. So yun ako, salamat naman sa iyong pag-unlock sa akin. I know we've been back and forth sa ating time zones kasi nga medyo mahirap. Pero ito na, na-push
Oo
through.
nga.
Tama ba si She? Mga 1 year na tayong na magkakilala. Tama ba?
I think so, sis. Kailan ba interview last? I think last year, no?
Oo, no?
Yes,
Parang
yes.
1 year
1
na.
year na. Can you imagine?
I should say, I think one of the messages that I always I am like looking forward to is your messages every Saturday and Sunday. Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yes, si Cheryl po kasi ay kasama ko sa aming group, munting group sa Empowered Women every Saturday and Sunday. So, ito nga pong Saturday, nagkaroon na po ng, kanina po ay nag-air sila, a few hours ago, mga 2 hours ago yata, no, si She. So, yun, ako si She. So, salamat sa pag-unlak mo ulit, and just to give naman a few background, kung sino nga ba si Cheryl, if you can introduce yourself to our supporters and followers.
Thank you, sis. Thank you so much, Mary Ann, for having me. I really appreciate the opportunity to share my short journey tonight. So, ako po si Cheryl, and I am a Filipino and nurse po in the UK for 25 years na. I am originally from Philippines, and a single mom and a part-time digital business owner.
Nako, yun. So ibig sabihin si She, ikaw ay meron kang full-time job. Pero nag-venture ka dito sa online business natin. Pero for starters, no, what made you start? Parang bakit meron bang nag-trigger or whatever, right? What made you start to your own online business?
Online business. Yes, thank you. To be honest, I started this online business during pandemic times. That time really made me pause and think about life. Kasi as a nurse, I've been working, I've always worked hard, long shifts, doing my best to provide, for my kids. And during that pandemic really hit me. As in talagang natakot ako. Kasi first time in my life na, we are dealing with something na hindi pa natin masyadong kilala, kumbaga. So I remember asking myself, what if something happens to me? We were, as a healthcare, we were on the front line, and we saw how unpredictable life can be. And that was really my wake-up call. I started thinking now what will happen to me or my children, you know, about their future and my future. So I realized that I'm relying on just one income,
Mm.
especially a job that depends on my time and health.
Mhm.
It felt risky. I mean, don't get me wrong. I love my nursing job. Um, but yung napapaisip ka.
Yeah.
So that time when I came across an idea of building something, like a side hustle, naging curious ako. Kasi nung time na yon, I was ill with COVID, when I found this business.
Oh, yeah.
I was off for about 7 weeks.
Wow.
And yeah, 7 weeks na may ko. Anyway, I became curious. So at first, I didn't know that if this will work for me, this business, because I'm not tech savvy and I
Mhm.
had zero business experience. Um, but in the end, naisip ko rin, maybe it's worth learning something, for the future. Um, yeah, something that I can use, when I want to retire and for my children's university. So yun, that's how I started, sis.
So parang pareho pala tayo sis 'no? Yung sa akin parang nag-trigger din sa akin nung COVID kasi I this is just based from me 'no, parang natakot ako and for akin dalawang income kami ni husband.
Yes.
I cannot imagine what it is to be in a situation wherein iisa lang yung source of income nung family like yours, not to mention na kayo pa yung frontliner at that point. 'Di ba? And then yung kumbaga yung health nyo rin iniisip nyo. And it's yung pandemic kasi yung nakaraang pandemic, it's a very uncertain season na
Yes.
wala pang nakakaalam na pwede pala mangyari yun, di ba? So parang, on my case, parang nung pandemic, ganun din, parang, pwede pala mangyari yun na temporary, ma-lay-off ako. Yung mga ganun, pwede pala
Yes.
mangyari yun. So yun din, parehas tayo nun si She, na napaisip din ako, baka naman there's option, 'di ba? There's option
Mhm.
na hindi natin alam na meron pala. Ito rin yung naging daan para rin mag-start din ako ng online business. Pero syempre, si She, nung nagsa-start ka, 'di ba? Like what you said, hindi ka tech savvy, no? Kumbaga parang wala kang business background or whatever, right? So, syempre, yung simula, mahirap for sure. So, what was the hardest part yung nung pagsisimula when you were like balancing business, work, and the family as well?
Yes, thank you, sis. No, the hardest part was at the beginning. You know, it was my own mindset. Kasi ang dami kong naiisip na negative thoughts. Kasi syempre, stress ka na. Um, you're just risking your life at that moment. So maraming negative thoughts ako naisip. So I kept thinking, can I really do this? Because I'm a busy, I'm a full, I'm working as a nurse full time, and also I'm a single mom. So lahat sa'yo yung trabaho.
Mhm.
And I'm not that good as well with technology. All I know is checking my emails, yung work emails, and that's it. And just scrolling on Facebook, on social media. But time-wise, I realized no, it's actually manageable.
Mhm.
Kasi this business is online, and we all know that more and more people now or businesses are online. So it can fit around my life, and sometimes I work it on during my break time, and sometimes on my days off. And you know meron pa ring time, mga at least 15 to 20 minutes
Mhm.
It's enough. And the most important, thing for me it is that it doesn't take away family time.
Yes.
Yes. Kasi it's so flexible. If anything, it gives me, hope and that thinking na I will have more time if I do this, in the near future as full time. I'll have more time. I'll have the time that I want, to ano to spend time with my daughter. So yeah, sis. Thank you.
So, actually, totoo yung sinabi mo eh. Yung pinaka-hardest part usually talaga sa start yan eh, no? Like yun nga, kasi nga, di ba, it's learning something new, di ba? Pero napansin ko for my experience lang, lahat ng fear na nakikita mo on your mindset, when you were starting, lahat nasasagot ng business community eh. Yun yung napapansin ko. Yun yung parang medyo positive siya. So, like, kunwari, hindi ka tech savvy, may training kami. 'Di ba? May training kami
Yes.
and it's a continuous training. Hindi lang natatapos nung nagsimula kang mag-business, 'di ba? May continuous training. Siyempre,
Mhm.
magtatanong sa atin, bakit continuous training? Ano ba yan? Akala ko naman mag-aaral ako sa simula lang, tas wala na, 'di ba? Pero
Yes.
kasi yung platform natin, social media, and it's ever evolving eh, 'di ba? Parang dati Facebook lang, tapos meron ng Instagram, tapos ngayon may TikTok na din, 'di ba? Parang ang dami, lahat 'yan na-venture. So lahat 'yan pwede nating pasukin kasi yun yung platform natin. And kung hindi tayo naka-plug in to know what's the ins and the outs,
Mhm.
'di ba? What's new and what's not, right? Mapag-iiwanan tayo. Kaya rin, never-ending din yung training natin. And yun, binibigay din. So usually siguro yung fear, no, na hindi ko alam. Kasi wala kang
Yes.
alam pa eh. So yung confidence mo medyo low, right? Pero
Mhm.
as time goes by, as the training goes by, you absorb everything that you know, then syempre, mas nagiging confident na tayo. So parang
Yes.
katulad ng sinabi mo sis kanina, parang okay, medyo mahirap muna ngayon, pero yung future eh, 'di ba? Yun yung
Yes.
future na okay, hindi naman nawawala yung oras ko for my kids. Totally, 'di ba? Hindi naman. And then venturing in sa future na mas marami ng oras na alam mo yon, parang ito naman talaga yung dahilan kung bakit tayo nag-start ng business, 'di ba? So with
Mhm.
that being said, how has this business changed your time like for future, like yung fino-forecast mo in the future?
All right. Yeah. I completely understand. No, being unsure when you start, because I think everybody would feel the same. Because I was exactly the same when I started this. Most people think they need to be tech expert or with business experience, super confident na before starting something like this. But honestly, most of us in this community started with zero experience. Walang wala. Hindi, although, before this business, I tried the drop shipping,
Mhm.
but it turned out it wasn't for me. So I'm glad I found this online opportunity. So yes, and the real question here naman kasi as well is, if nothing change in the next 5 or 10 years, will you still be happy with where you are financially and time wise? Because sometimes we are so busy, surviving day to day life, na nakakalimutan natin to think about our future. Yung parang cycle na lang siya. Paulit-ulit na lang siyang cycle. Nakakalimutan na natin um, yung gusto natin na sa future, And you don't have to quit your job,
Mhm.
when you join this opportunity, this or take big risks. Because you can simply learn, something new on the side and just try it and see where it goes. Wala namang mawawala. The thing is, you learn something. And sometimes the opportunity is not, this is an overnight success.
Mhm.
It is about, giving, just like what you said earlier, no? Giving yourself another option. Yeah.
So pagka ano, parang ano siya eh, tama ba yung paulit-ulit natin naririnig 'to, yung planting seeds. Parang okey, sa simula
Mm,
muna ang sacrifice, sa simula muna
yeah.
ang hirap. Sige, parang okey, matanda na ako, ayoko na mag-aral, 'di ba? Pero like learning
Mhm.
something new, ganyan. Kasi nga you're planting seed for you to be able to harvest something in the future. And it's not only for you, it's for the whole family, right?
Yes.
And at the same time, little by little, you experience growth as well. I actually always say this, no, parang the Mary Ann prior, like, kunwari, after, just after the pandemic, it's not the Mary Ann that you know right now. And it's all because of this business community. Like, I'm more knowledgeable, alam mo yun, yung mga
Yeah.
engagement, yung mga ganyan, hindi ko alam yan
Mhm.
dati, di ba? Yung mga impression, hindi ko rin alam yan dati. Di ba? Parang ngayon, parang mas confident na ako kasi mas meron akong mga nalalaman na hindi ko siya alam dati. Yun yung, kaya medyo
Mhm.
napibuild yung confidence. So,
Confidence. Yeah.
yes. So, doon sa mga, alam mo na, yung ating mga supporters na palagi na lang nanonood kay Miss Cheryl. Ano ba itong sinasabi ni Cheryl? Ganyan-ganyan, nanonood, di ba? Nagla-like minsan, minsan nagko-comment, di ba? Yung mga friends or friends mo na, ano bang ginagawa ni Cheryl? Ganyan. Parang,
Yeah.
what would you say to those people who are still unsure about starting?
Right. That's a nice question, sis. No, for me, totoo yan. Some people ask me, what is this business? Ano ba yung ginagawa mo? They're quite curious. So the biggest change is really my mindset, and the vision for the future. Before kasi, my thinking was just simple. Work, work, more hours, just to earn money, di ba? Extra shifts, yeah. Pero na nakakalimutan natin, napapagod na rin tayo.
Mm.
So that's the system, the only system that I knew. But this business opened my eyes, to the idea that income doesn't always have to depend, on trading your time for money. It also gave me that personal growth. And I've learned so many skills that I've never imagined learning, like doing a live.
Mm, mhm.
Yes, I've learned a lot on social media now. Yeah, as you said, the confidence, the communication, and of course, building and connection with, people from all over the world. Um, and as a single mom, my biggest motivation is my children. And this business may have started as a side project. For me, it represents, my future. I hope for more freedom in the future, more time with family, more choices, and syempre yung chance to build something that can continue even, I'm enjoying my life.
Mhm.
Yun.
Oh, not to mention, no, sis, 'di ba, yung legacy na pwede mong iwanan sa yung mga ano, sa yung mga, well, not really iwanan, pero like
Yeah.
ipasa, 'di ba?
Mhm.
Ipasa sa yung mga anak. Yun, isa pa yun sa magandang na idudulot nitong online business natin. Nako, ang dami naman nating chika today. Nakakatuwa naman, sis. So parang, 'di ba, parang ang dami ko tuloy mas natutunan sa iyong journey nowadays kasi with today's chika. Kasi kami ni si Cheryl nagkaka-chikahan lang kami. Usually actually weekend lang ganyan. Or yung at the rest of the Empowered Women Gang, yan every weekend lang yan ang aming mga chika. Pero I would wanna say si Cheryl, I would like to actually let you know how appreciate you with that actually one single message that you did for me a year ago, and with my business partners as well, Mary Rose and Mary J. Right when you were like, hey sis, you wanna come do a podcast with us? Oh, di ba? And then now, a year after, di ba? And still growing tayo sa ating
Yes.
empowered women. So yun, so she said for those people who's gonna be watching us later or will be watching us later, is there any thing that you want to like say as well, or if you have your dialect, you can do so. Just yeah, go ahead.
I can only speak a little bit of Ilocano and Bisaya, so medyo ano. Anyway, I am so grateful, Sis Mary Ann, that I met you. Dito tayo nagkakilala sa online business. So, yan. Yan ang kagandahan. Kasi parang naging family na rin tayo, di ba?
Mm-mm.
So, you know what, guys? If you are, as a busy nurse like me and a single mom like me, you can learn this. Anyone can. And I started with a zero experience. So if you're curious and you want to see what we are doing, you can always check on our website. Yeah, check Sis Mary Ann's website, follow her, and syempre, feel free to ask. Feel free to ask. We're here to help.
Nako, thank you si Cheryl. Yan, katulad ng mga paulit-ulit naming sinasabi, no? Parang, ano lang, it always starts on just one how. 'Di ba? Like how?
Yes.
Paano ba 'yan? 'Di ba? Or
Mhm.
just one, register your name and your email address through our website, and you can check out the free webinar that we have every Tuesdays and Thursdays. And tama ba? Tuesdays and Thursdays din ba sa inyo, Shishe?
Sa UK is different. It's 1 a.m. Wednesdays and Fridays 1 a.m.
Oh, Wednesdays and Fridays.
Yeah.
Pero okay lang naman po yun kung hindi kayo makaka-attend ng live. Kasi ako personally, Shishe, ang aking pinanood ay ang replay. Replay
Yes.
ang aking pinanood kasi mahirap minsan mag-swak sa ating schedule, di ba?
Yeah, true.
So mas
Actually,
maganda
nung nagsimula, I was thinking about this, nung time na I was thinking about this business, I watched the replays 3 to 4 times.
Yes, me too. Ako
Mm.
din, ako din.
So, yes.
Kasi gusto ko siyang mapaulit-ulit at parang, alam mo yun, kasi usually, yung mga tanong natin sa ating sarili, palagi lang tayo kasi nagre-rely sa hearsay. Kunwari,
Mm-mm.
online business, legit ba yan, ganyan. Pero for us to formulate the correct questions, kailangan manonood muna po tayo ng webinar. And then, doon tayo makapag-formulate ng mga tamang tanong natin. And then,
Yes.
doon tayo makakapag-decide, ito ba ay swak sa akin? Kung hindi naman swak, okay lang naman din. Pero
Okay
mali,
lang.
may kakilala kayo na baka maswak sa kanila at pwede nyo pa yun ma-share sa kanila.
Very.
We're just here always saying that there is an option na dating hindi natin alam. Hindi ko rin alam, hindi rin alam si Cheryl. Diba? There is an option that you can check out if this works for you, right? But for you to be able to formulate the decision for you and your household, yun kailangan, syempre, katulad ng any traditional business, due diligence, right? Do your due diligence and research muna tayo kung ito ba talaga ay yung hinahanap ninyo. So yun, thank you, si Cheryl.
Follow us for
Yes.
more, diba? Para you'll be updated to what's happening. Yes.
Yes, continue to follow us and don't be a stranger. Say hi. Ganyan. Thank you, si Cheryl. And again,
Thank
happy
you.
Mother's Day to you and to all.
Thank you.
Is it UK only or Europe na rin?
I think in Africa as well. I don't know. I'm not 100%.
Okay, so to all mothers who are celebrating Happy Mother's Day today, Happy Mother's Day. And thank you again, si Cheryl, for gracing
Thank
us
you
today.
too.
See you
Thank you, thank
again
you, sis.
next week. And
Yes,
thank you, si
empowered
Cheryl.
women.
For those people who have other questions with us, comment, and we will try to answer your questions as much as we can on the following episodes here on Hustle Hour with me, Mary, and today featuring si Cheryl. Bye for now. Take care.
Thank you very much. Good night.
Thank you, si She.